in this section, I'm going to show you how we are going to draw lines with angles easily. So we're going to use the line tool. We're just going to click over here and activate the line tool. We're going to specify a point. Yes, we can have that line over there. So to have angles, different angles, using this line over here, we're going to use a tool called polar tracking. Polar tracking is located at the status bar right below here. So once you activate it and you click on the drop down menu, you're going to see several angles. We have the 90, 80 to 70, 360, we have 45, 90, 135, meaning, like for example, this one, 30, 60, 90, these are angles with differences of 30 degrees. So 30, 60, 90, 120, we have 45, 90, 135, 180, etc. So this is where you're going to be choosing the angle difference of your choice. So for example, we can opt to use 30, 60, 90. So over there we have 30. As you can see, there is this green extension line over here showing that that angle is 30 degrees. So at that point you can only have 30 degrees because it is locked to only 30 degrees. Once you move your cursor and see the green extension line, it means you are on the next degrees, which is 60. So the line is locked to only 60 degrees. So at this point, you can only define the distance or length of the line. So if we want 130 millimeters, enter. That line is only going to go 130 millimeters. So from that point, again, we have 120 degrees, we have 150 degrees, we have 180 degrees. So our line can only go 180 degrees. What you just need to do is define the distance of that line. We can have it as 200 millimeters, enter. So that is how we use the polar tracking tool.